Hang on there, Sawbones. Hold the camera still. Wouldn't want to bring a car back here. So here it is, I'm back from the sawmill. Got a good chunk of wood this time. Sorry about the sun glare, hopefully you can see. There's some good pieces on here. There's that piece. Most of the pieces are about 10 inches wide. Couple of pieces of oak, I believe, on the top. Yeah, most pieces are between 10 and 9 inches wide. So I've moved on to the back side of my tool shed. It's looking pretty good. This is the side that really needs the roof shingles. But like I said in earlier videos, there's an underlay similar to what the shed's wrapped in, so the roof doesn't leak. It's a nice day here. Bug free so far. Deer flies aren't bothering me at all. But this is some of the wood I got yesterday at the sawmill. There's some nice pieces. Here's some more pieces I got yesterday at the sawmill. They're basically 10 feet long, these pieces, and average about 8 or 9 inches wide. I also got a couple of really nice big chunks of oak yesterday. The sawmill guy was cutting out a beam and he wanted me to take these. These I'll make good use of them somewhere. I also got these yesterday at the sawmill as well. These are all like 10 feet tall. Actually a little bit wider than 10 inches wide. The one on the left is closer to a foot. Good pieces of wood. I got all this stuff for $20. It's hard to believe. It's all really good stuff once you take the bark off and play around with it a little bit. Yesterday when I was at the sawmill, I didn't really film the sawmill or the dude that runs it. I've just started doing business with him and I didn't want to, I don't know, it's a privacy thing. I didn't want to put a camera in his face or film his business. So I just filmed on the way in and on the way out, basically, kind of thing. So on this end of the shed, I plan on putting like a false front, like a storefront. So I'm gonna find a window and an old barn door and side it the rest of the way. And kind of make like a, I haven't decided, maybe an old fake general store front. I'm not sure. It's just an idea I had. I'll do something with the end anyway. It'll be cool when I'm done.